Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm here to guide you through our 5-step process for ordering your cabinets with Access by Cabinet Joint. Access is our line of luxury frameless cabinets to help elevate your space with a clean and timeless style. This process is designed to give you clarity and confidence every step of the way. So let's get started. Step 1. You'll get a ballpark estimate from us. Simply fill out the short quote form. It only takes a few minutes. You can upload a floor plan, which is what we recommend, or you can send us a cabinet list with your cabinet dimensions. Think of this as your starting point. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just enough to give you an idea of what to expect. If it feels like a good fit, then we'll move on to step 2 together. Step 2, schedule an initial consultation. This is your opportunity to connect one-on-one with your expert cabinet coach. We'll talk through your ideas, answer any questions, and explore ways that you can customize your cabinets to fit your space and style perfectly. We're here to serve you. This is an easy and open conversation, so there's no obligations. Our goal is simple, to give you what you need to feel confident and excited about getting your new luxury cabinets from Access. Step 3, ordering your samples. The best way to choose your perfect finish is to see it and feel it in your hands, allowing you to visualize it in your home's natural light and space. You can start with our sample kit, which includes a variety of finished blocks and chains, so you can explore all of your options. If you want to see your favorites on a larger scale, you can also order sample doors. One of my personal favorites is Straight Noche from our Modern Texture collection. While you wait for your samples to arrive, we can get moving on to the next phase. Step 4 is where the magic happens, personalizing your layout. You'll work closely with your cabinet coach to create a complementary design that fits your space and lifestyle. You can adjust your layout and cabinet details as much as you want until it feels just right. Once everything is finalized, we'll create a detailed quote that matches your exact design. It's totally normal to go through a few revisions during this phase. We want you to love every detail. Once your layout is perfected and your quote is in your hand, you'll be ready for the next step. Step 5, placing your order. You'll have a final consultation with your cabinet coach to review all of the details and make sure that everything is just right. Then once you give the go-ahead, your cabinets will go into production. And before you know it, your custom cabinets will be on the way, ready to become part of your home. With Access, simplicity guides every step of the journey. From picking your finishes to finalizing your layout, we make it easy to create a space that's truly yours. So whenever you're ready, just click that Get a Quote button to begin your journey of luxury cabinets with Access, where simplicity elevates living.